Hi, this is James. In this video, we are going to learn how to change the score. Select your canvas layer. In my case, it's the scoreboard, and add a script. Click on Create to add the script. Delete all lines except for the first line. Now add an onReady variable. And link it to your label, in my case which it is score. Now we can use this score label variable to edit any properties of the score label. Let's add a function and let's name it update score and pass in new underscore score into this function, and whenever this score function is called, all we are going to do is score label dot text is equal to string of new score. In this script, we have created an onReady variable which links our score label to a variable, and in an update score function we use that particular variable to update the text value of the score label. Now let's save this scene and go into the world scene. Select world and add a script. Again, select all but the first line, delete everything. onReady variable. I'm gonna name it scorekeeping, and here I'm trying to link this scoreboard, which is an instance that we added to the world scene, onto this scorekeeping label. So I'm gonna say score underscore board. The simple logic we are trying to implement here is to increase our score by 1 point for every 2 seconds that the player survives in the world. So we need two variables, variable timer equal to 0 and variable score count. Variable timer is used to know the time elapsed since we start playing. Score count is used to keep a count of our score. Let's now add a function called underscore process delta. This function underscore process delta is a function that's called at every frame of this game, and delta is the time between the previous frame and the current frame. Let's say timer plus equal to delta. This will give us the total time accumulated from the start of the game, or since the last time we set the timer to 0. If timer greater than or equal to 2.0, let's use the score count variable and increment it by 1. We would now want this score count to be updated on our scoreboard. To do so, let's use the onReady variable scorekeeping dot update score. And into this update score, we are going to pass a new score, which is score count. This update score function is the function which we previously declared in our scoreboard.gd script. Let's go back to world.gd. And now that the score is updated, let's reset the timer to 0. Let's save our progress so far and play the game. Now we see that the score is updating by 1 point for every 2 seconds that we spent in this game. Thank you for watching this video. Now you can use this base code that we have here to add more complexity on how the score is calculated in your game.